Paul, we heard from two witnesses today with two very different views on what unfolded during that standoff. A Metro Police sergeant and a guy who was working for Fox News at the time.
Go home, get a job!
The case against 6 men known as supporters of Cliven Bundy centers around this standoff in Bunkerville in April of 2014.
We want those arms delivered right here under these flags in 1 hour.
The cattle rancher led a fight against the federal government after the court-ordered seizure of his cattle because they were illegally grazing on public land.
They're getting ready to launch stuff at us. Get ready.
No one was hurt, but this is what Metro Police Sergeant Tom Jenkins told the I-Team in 2014 about that day.
And you're standing up there going, well, just hope it doesn't hurt, you know, when it comes, that it's quick. And, I mean, it was for real for us. It was that real.
You thought you might die?
Yeah.
Jenkins testified in federal court Wednesday there were white males all over the place with weapons that day, and his officers were scared and crying. One defense attorney asked, "Your officers were actually crying? How many tears did you wipe away?" The judge called that inappropriate. Also present that day, Dennis Michael Lynch, who was shooting video for Fox News. He testified he did not see any weapons pointed at the BLM and feared he might be shot if he walked toward the agents. His clips were played in court. Many were similar to this video shot by 8 News Now, showing how it all unfolded and began. Here's what Bundy's son Ammon told supporters moments before the standoff.
I'm telling you that this battle is at the point, and you guys are going to find this out soon. This battle is at the point where we, the people in this area, have nothing to fear.
Now, here's why there's so much at stake in this trial. For the U.S. Attorney's Office, if prosecutors fail to make their case, some worry this could encourage those who are anti-government to do something like this again and not cooperate with law enforcement. Now, for the defendants, if convicted, they could spend the rest of their lives in prison. If they are not convicted, they and their supporters will likely see this as a victory against the federal government and also about the control of federal public land. Reporting live, Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.